Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about lightning phenomena and wave shape of voltage due to lightning. In previous video we have discussed causes of over voltages. So here we are going to discuss about why lightnings will occur and how voltage waveform will be disturbed. So yes, for our homes, for industries we are using sinusoidal voltage, that is called AC voltage. So due to that the sinusoidal voltage will get disturbed, that sinusoidal will have some harmonics. So how to harmonics will occur, that is called disturbance of wave shape of voltage, disturbance of wave shape of voltage, how it will disturb due to lightnings we will see in this video. First we will discuss about lightning phenomena. So what is meant by lightning phenomena? Lightning phenomena can call simply it as a discharge of voltage, discharge of voltage. So here for a correct definition of lightning phenomena is the discharge of the charged cloud to the ground is called lightning phenomena. So discharge of the charged cloud to the ground is called lightning phenomena. A lightning discharge through air occurs when the cloud is raised to such a high potential with respect to the ground. To the ground is called lightning phenomenon. So next one, the lightning phenomena varies from 100 to 1000 MV, 100 to 1000 MV. So 100 megavolt to 1000 megavolt. Okay. So here, so this lightning phenomena occurs only in the cloud. So interconnection of various power systems, call it as a one cloud. So only a part of total charge is released to the ground by lightning. So here the charge cloud to ground, that is discharge of the charged cloud to the ground is called lightning phenomena. So here only one part of total charge is released to the ground by lightning. The rest is consumed in intercloud discharges. Intercloud discharges like our home appliances and other devices. So here home appliances will get damaged due to over voltages. So here the discharge range is between 100 megavolt to 1000 megavolt. So that much voltage range, if it is discharged, if we are not using the ground, so entire power system, entire even generators, transformer, everything will get damaged. To avoid that one, here we are using ground. So if you take your connection of your home appliances, all home appliances should ground. So then only your home appliances will be protected. Otherwise, your home appliances will get damaged. So that is the main reason behind the ground. So lightning, what is meant by lightning phenomena here? Discharge of the charged cloud to the ground is called lightning phenomenon. The lightning phenomena range is between 100 to 1000 megavolt. So here the only one part of the charge is released to the ground, rest will be utilized in the intercloud discharges. So here we can see the how it is discharged, how the lightning phenomena will occur. So this here we have two diagrams. One is stepped ladder. So a stepped ladder and return streamer. So here we can see the stepped ladder will be charged to the pilot streamer. So all will have plus and return. So while we are returning, we can call it as a discharge and charge. First diagram is belongs to discharge. That's what here you can see the arrow mark is downwards. And second diagram is arrow mark is upwards. So this is called So first one is belongs to discharge to the ground, and this one is the charge to the cloud. So that's what here if you observe all are positive, discharge we are indicating with minus, charge we are indicating with plus, and discharge we are indicating with minus. So first diagram is discharge and second diagram is charge. So here charging and discharge mechanism is called as a lightning phenomena. So lightning mechanism, you can call it as a lightning mechanism. Next one, wave shape of voltage due to lightning. So this is one of important thing. So due to wave shape changes, our home appliances operation also will change. So due to that, our home appliances will get overheat, right? So here lightning sets up steep fronted unidirectional voltage wave, which is called B, represented as a difference of two exponentials. So e power minus at minus e power minus bt. So due to lightnings, the wave shape of the voltage will be changes. So how we are calculating is here. So V is equal to V into e power minus at minus e power minus bt. A and B are constant. Determine the shape of the voltage V. So here we are considering the magnitude of the waveform is steep voltage. So V is equal to crest value, that is called peak value of the impulse waveform. Okay. The wave shape is generally defined in terms of T1 and T2 in milliseconds. So here we can see in this diagram. So here voltage waveform and T1 and T2 are time. So T1 is T1 time taken by voltage wave front to reach front, and T2 is time. So here T2 and T1. So T1 is 100% level, T2 is 50% level. So that's what T1 is equal to V, T2 is belongs to 50%. 50% means 0.5 volt. So the wave shape of the voltage will be changes with respect to the times. So T1 and T2. So here you can observe this one. So at T2 the voltage waveform is reduced to 50%, at T1 the voltage waveform is peak, that is called 100%. So it is not exactly sinusoidal wave. So it is like a some changes will be there in waveform. So if you two times if you take difference, so T2 comes 50%, T1 is 100%, and at starting it will be 0. So again it falls to 0, again it will change minus negative direction, again it will comes to positive direction, it will repeat. So based on the frequency level, right? So this is about lightning phenomena and wave shape of voltage due to lightning. So how to avoid this lightning? So you have to use some of the protective devices like lightning rheostats and lightning observers and ground. So all equipment should be earthed properly, so we can avoid this type of problems in power system. Power system means power transmission distributions. So in next video we will discuss about over voltage due to lightning and graph, Kleidonograph and magnetic link. So these three topics we will discuss in next video. So thank you everyone.